Namaste everyone, this is my second episode of DIY gift series. Today I'll show you some fun gift ideas like this photo frame, fun Polaroid camera and a goodie box. For the first DIY glittery photo frame, you will need these items which you will see ahead in the video. First of all, you will need a cardstock paper, then place the picture to take the measurement of the border. How you want to place. Example के लिए मैं अपना ही picture use कर रही हूँ. Then cut the paper using the scissor. Next you will need a printed paper like some pattern on it. Then place the cardstock paper for the measurement and cut it out. I want to make the frame of this printed paper, so I am making something like a border of 1.5 centimeter. Then I'll cut the mid portion out using the cutter. I want to make the frame thick, so again I am using a thick paper to make it stiff.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real.
And then my frame is ready. Now place the picture in the middle of the cardstock paper. Then you will need a double-sided tape or two-way tape. Cut it into a rectangular shape and divide it into two parts. Now place the two-way tape around the edges of the photo frame and put some glitter in the middle. Remove the yellow sticker from the double-sided tape and place the transparent sheet on it.
Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive.
Then I am applying some hot glue at the edges. हॉट ग्लू नहीं है आपके पास तो आप फिर से टू वे टेप उसी वे में अप्लाई कर सकते हो जैसे पहले किया था. Then finally place the photo frame on the top of it. And your fun yet beautiful photo frame is ready. You can give this to anyone or you can simply place this in your room.
Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't
For the DIY fun Polaroid camera, you will need a cardstock paper and draw the picture of the Polaroid camera using the reference from the internet. And I'm using chalk paint. You can use acrylic paint also. I want the chalky effect, that's why I'm using chalk paint here.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real.
When the color is fully dried, I'm outlining the drawing with the marker.
Dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
Then cut this out. I want it to be thick, so I'm applying double layer of cardstock paper. So here is the front piece, this one is the side and this is the back side of the camera. Next I have designed some pictures like a Polaroid frame in Photoshop and printed out. Photoshop. I simply told them to print in photo paper and it should be soft so that I can roll. Because you guys asked me what type of paper it is, that's why I'm telling you. You just simply tell them your requirement and they will print it out. I don't know the exact name of the paper. Then I'm placing the side of the camera with the hot glue gun. उसके बाद you need to cut all the pictures in Polaroid photo frame shape. And you will need a blank piece of paper also. पिक्चर को हैंग करने के लिए मैं ले रही हूँ ये एक बैम्बू स्क्यूअर and place it little bit bottom side of the camera. Then I'm taking the measurement where I need to do holes. First I will do the marking with the pencil, then I will cut this using a punch hole machine. Now place the wooden bamboo skewer inside the hole. Then I'll start making the film strip from the pictures. First you will keep the blank piece of the paper, then you will attach all the pictures like this.
Every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
So I have attached all the pictures. Now I will place the first blank piece on the wooden stick using the hot glue gun. Then put the hot glue to the both side of the skewer, leaving 1 cm gap from the hole. So the wooden stick will not move from its place, but it will rotate. I have rolled all the pictures. अब मैं इसका बैक पार्ट लगाऊंगी हॉट ग्लू के हेल्प से.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit.
Here is a fun Polaroid camera that you can gift it to anyone and they will definitely like it.
I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale.
Next DIY is the magical letter. For this you will need a computer, Photoshop and few pictures. Now search some ruler page and old paper image on the internet and download it. I have downloaded an image of old paper and placed over the ruler page. Then go to the blending option and select multiply. It's right up in the corner. There are various options, but I have chosen multiply. Now I am adjusting the contrast because I want it to be dark. With the same way, I have placed some flowers in the corners or around the edges. Now you'll need your picture and remove the background and place this picture beneath the old paper image. Adjust the picture according to your choice and erase the harsh edges.
Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.
And I will reduce the opacity to 30 to 35% and just save this as a JPG. And your magical letter, which is very filmy, is ready. Same way I have created one more letter. And do not forget to make this in 300 resolution.
Don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy.
I took the print out in the normal A4 size paper but colorful. Now you can write the letter or your message in a creative way and gift it to your loved ones. And here it goes in the envelope, and also I have sealed this with wax. I am getting more magical vibes by seeing this wax seal. To make the treasure box, I took this shoe box and I will place some color paper inside and I will decorate it with the gift paper. and green color paper inside. Now it's time to wrap all the gifts. I am simply packing this photo frame in the newspaper. Now take a ball and put some wax like I have broken candles and a piece of crayon for the color, and melt it in the microwave. Let it cool for 3 to 4 minutes, then pour it on the package. And I am keeping a coin to give the wax seal effect. For my bunny clips that I have made in my last video, I am placing them on a piece of foam sheet and it goes inside the plastic bag. Now I am going to decorate the box. Now everything is ready now. Now I'll keep all the stuff inside the box. First of all, the DIY camera, then my bunny clips, and all the gifts and later that I have made in my last video. I'll show you what gifts are inside. It's a bookmark, and this is the magical letter. There are some more bookmarks, some clay pins or clip, here is the bunny clip, and here is the Polaroid camera. The photo frame was not fitting inside, so I kept it outside. That's it for today, guys. I hope you really like the ideas. Do appreciate by liking the video and commenting on my video. Next video will be Harry Potter inspired DIY gift ideas. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.